Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy and a quick snack using elephant foot yam, which is commonly known as Suran. Ingredients which we will need to cook are as follows: Suran, cumin seeds, crushed black peppercorns, salt to taste, little bit chaat masala, and pure ghee. Now we will cut this suran into pieces, and please ensure that you'll apply oil before touching it, since otherwise it will give you that itchy feeling after you're done with chopping. So please apply oil, or you can apply ghee. This is how we have chopped suran. Try to cut thin pieces so that it cooks faster. Now we will add some salt to this chopped suran, and we'll keep it for some time, like for 5 to 10 minutes. The reason for doing this is that it will help it cook faster. It will take some less time than usual. After keeping it for 5 minutes with salt, I have washed this. Now ghee in a pan. You can add as much as you want, but it should be proportionate to the suran which you'll have taken. Now you all will add jeera to it. Now we all will add suran to this. Flame should be medium as per your taste, and add a little bit only because you have already kept this suran for like 5 to 10 minutes before washing it. Stir well. Now cover it with lid for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. But after every 2 to 3 minutes, flame should be slow when it's getting cooked. I think it's getting cooked. Now we'll keep it without lid for approximately 2 to 3 minutes so that it becomes a little bit crunchy. So you can see the change. This is how it looks. After it will become crunchy, it will look like this. So we'll keep it for 2 to 3 minutes more on a fast flame. Meanwhile, we'll also add chaat masala to it. Crushed black peppercorns and stir. The color of this has changed and it's become crunchy, so now it's ready to eat. Serve it in a bowl. This is very healthy. It's very much rich in fiber. Y'all can eat it if y'all have Ekadashi, Navratri. Y'all can eat it as a breakfast. See guys, it's ready. Y'all can serve it in a bowl and sprinkle a bit of chaat masala to get that more tangy taste. Y'all can eat this for breakfast, even for evening snacks. Y'all can eat it if y'all are fasting. It's a low-fat vegetable, so it's very healthy. Y'all can also eat it if y'all are dieting, or if y'all have some diet plans on where y'all are not eating direct carbs. Thank you and enjoy.